Hey beautiful soul, it's Chandi, and today I'm going to show you a new knitting technique. Oh, it is a great day today to learn something new, don't you think? Go ahead and grab some tea and have a watch, because today we're going to learn the Turkish stitch. Turkish stitch is what you see here in our Etude No.2 shawl pattern. You can see how it produces this really lovely lacy look. Ooh, yes. Yeah, it's fairly straightforward and it's just a 2-row repeat, so you should be able to pick it up in no time. But before we get into that, what is this pattern? We're designing a series of patterns for you called etudes. Etudes in music are designed to help you learn a new skill or technique. So we're transferring that idea to knitting, and each of our etude shawls is going to feature a new technique for you to learn. Etude #1 was all about texture, and I demonstrated how to work a garter tab cast on. So you can go watch that if you want to. I will put the link below. Etude #2, which this one is all about lace and learning the Turkish stitch. And you can see that right here. And you can see the lovely look that it creates. It's so drapey and sumptuous, yes. What we've done is alternate this Turkish stitch lace section with sections of garter stitch, and that's why you get this really stunning result. For this pattern, I chose to use our alpaca silk lace yarn because it is so drapey. It has a nice subtle glow and it's super buttery soft, and you get a ton of yardage per skein, 604 yards in each skein. To demonstrate the Turkish stitch lace section of this pattern today, I'm going to be using US size 4 3.5mm needles. You'll also need some lace weight yarn, so let's get started. Just for demonstration purposes today, I've just cast on 20 stitches and worked a few foundation rows of garter stitch, just so I have something to start to show you the lace section. Row 1. You're going to start by knitting 1 and then knitting 1 front and back. Then you're going to repeat across your row, knit 2 together, yarn over. When you have only 4 stitches left in that row, you're going to knit 1, knit 2 together, and then knit 1. Let me show you. Okay, so you're going to start by knitting the first stitch, and then you're going to knit 1 front and back. So to do that, you knit into that stitch like normal, but instead of dropping it off, you swing your right needle behind and knit into the back leg of that stitch as well. And then you slide it off. So now we're going to do the repeating section that you're going to repeat across the entire row, which is knit 2 together, yarn over, and that's it. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row till you have 4 stitches left. So knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, and you just keep going all the way across till you have only 4 stitches remaining on your row. If you're working this Etude #2 pattern, you're going to have a lot more stitches on your needle than I have here. I just didn't want to work the entire length of them and bore you to tears. Okay, almost there. 3, 4, 1 more, and then I'll show you how to finish those final 4 little stitches. Finish with a yarn over, and then you're going to knit 1, then you're going to knit 2 together, and then you're going to finish by knitting 1. And row 1 is done. If you can believe it, we are halfway done learning this new stitch. On to row #2, boop, boop, boo-doo. All right, you're gonna start by knitting 3 stitches. Then you're gonna work yarn over, knit 2 together, and that's the part that you repeat across the row. And when you have 3 stitches left, you're just gonna knit those final 3 stitches. Okay, this row is easier than the last one. You're gonna start by knitting the first 3 stitches. Then the part that you repeat across is yarn over, knit 2 together. And don't let those little stitches trick you. Sometimes, yarn over, sometimes they want to lap over each other and you have to say, stop it, and make it happen. Okay, so then yarn over, knit 2 together. See there how they want to cross each other? Yarn over, knit 2 together. We're going to show these stitches, the what, to, and the wherefore. yarn over, knit 2 together. Come on, baby, we can do this. Yes. Yarn over, knit 2 together, and then when you get to your final 3 stitches, yarn over, knit 2 together, then you're just gonna knit them. Super easy. And row number 2 is done. And that is it. Isn't it amazing that you can create such a gorgeous shawl as this with those simple stitches? All right, my love, go ahead and get your buns in gear and get to practicing this Turkish stitch. Go ahead and head to the link below if you do want the full set of written instructions for this specific pattern. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and head to expressionfiberart.com and sign up for email updates. That is the best way to stay in touch with me, to hear when we have new knit and crochet patterns coming out, and lots of other fun stuff. All right, go ahead and soak up this day. It's waiting for you, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.